Hey, hello and welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how I remotely start charging, stop charging and monitor the charge of my electric car with the help of my Fritz box Wi-Fi router. Free of charge, no Chinese cloud, no subscription, but full functionality and everything from your home network. I'll show you how it's done. If you're new to the channel and you like this type of content, please subscribe. Let's go! I've connected the car to a high quality extension cord of Brennstuhl aus Deutschland. And then I've installed a Fritz DECT 210 outer socket, which I connected to my dedicated socket in my shed, on which I do Schuko charging for my car, so charge via the home socket. This DECT device is built in Germany by AVM, the same company that makes the Fritz box. Very high quality, can do continuously 16 amps, but with the electric car you don't charge more than 6 amp or 10 amps. I've been using this setup now for the last 3 years. I'm very happy with it. Let me show you what I can do with it on my smartphone and on the Fritz Phone app and on the Fritz web interface. You open the Fritz smartphone, the smart home app, and here in the overview you see my charge point in the shed. I'll click on it. Here you see what is the current charging state. We're doing 2.2 kilowatts, and it also measures the temperature of the socket. So I can turn it on or off. Now I've turned the charging off. As you can see, there's no more power, and with the same ease I can turn it on again. Very nice. Here in the energy indication you can see what is the amount of kilowatts that I'm charging continuously and the voltage. And here you can see the total energy charged. So for example, today we have charged 31 kilowatt hours already, and yesterday 15. You can also have a yearly overview, but this is even better if you look at it in the web interface, which I'll show you in a minute. And here the temperature and everything. It's a really nice setup, works really well, but the best is yet to come. You can set the Fritz box and the Fritz DECT exactly to start charging your car when the power is the cheapest. For example, switch it off here between 7 in the morning and 10 in the morning, and turn it on again when the power is low around noon and throughout the rest of the night. Sehr schön. Yeah, and here in the web interface of the Fritz box you can set, if you have a fixed contract, your power rate per kilowatt hour, and you can see exactly how much your charge costs. You can also say if you want to receive push notifications every time the device switches on or off. You can plan exactly the time schedules and the intervals on which you want the device to turn on and start charging. And you can plan your charge to start daily, incidental, countdown, rhythmic, I don't know why you would want to use that, one time, or astronomical when the sun comes up or down, or according to a full schedule which you can enter. And once the Fritz box detects that your car has stopped charging, and it can automatically switch itself off. And the Fritz box also has a fantastic web interface where you can see exactly how much you've been charging on every day throughout the week, and you can even generate reports how much you've charged, how much it costs, or how much CO2 you've spent, or actually saved, I should say. Sehr schön. Yeah, and when you have a Fritz home phone it gets even nog veel geiler. Let me show you how good this works and how you can even with your home phone look at the state of charge and operate your electric car. We go in the menu, we go into Internetdiensten, 9. We go into Thuisnetwerk, home network in Dutch. We click on it, and in smart home we can see charging sockets, and here I can turn on and off my charging socket, the Fritz DECT 210, with the click of a button. Now it's off, sehr schön, but I want to turn it on because the charging is cheap now. Hup, it's on again. Zurück. And then we can look also at energy indication. We can see what is the charging rate of the electric car. Now it is 1.3 kilowatt hours. Sorry, 1.3 kilowatt. And if we click on it again, you can see that it's increasing because I just turned the car on again and told it to charge via the Fritz box. And finally, with thermometer, I can see exactly what is the temperature on my Fritz DECT charging device. And if it ever gets too hot, for example if there's burning sun on that shed or something is the matter, I can be aware of it and I can stop the charge and tell it, for example, to continue in the evening. That guy. Now I'll show you. Yeah, and that was my video. Hope you found it useful. Here is the Fritz DECT 210. I'll put links in the description below with my exact setup that I've been using successfully to charge for over 3 years a Renault Zoe and the Opel Ampera electric car. Write me if you have any questions, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you, and see you in the next video. Ciao!